Hi guys, welcome back to Savoir Renee, and if you're joining us for the first time, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how I absolutely love making asaro. Asaro is a Nigerian dish also known as yam porridge. So here I've gone in with some palm oil and some sliced onions, and I'm just adding in some peppers I've blended. I'm going to give that a quick mix. Then I'm swiftly going to move over to adding in some diced garlic and ginger, and then I'm also going to go in with some fresh thyme and a basil leaf. Guys, trust me, you need to try this method using fresh herbs. It makes all the difference. So now once I'm done giving that a quick mix, I'm going to go in with some dry thyme, some curry as well, and my personal favorite, Maggie crayfish. Guys, Maggie crayfish is the truth. For soups and asaro, it is the truth. So once I go in with that, I'm going to give that a quick mix, and I'm going to let that cook for about 1 minute, and then I'm going to go in with my mashed up ripe plantain. So this is not cooked in any way whatsoever. I've just gone ahead and I've mashed up some super ripe plantain. I'm going to give that a quick stir. Then I'm going to add some water and cover up the pot to cook for about 3 minutes so that plantain can actually soak in a lot of the flavor. So this is 3 minutes later, guys. Now I'm going to go in with my yam that I've obviously pre-boiled, and I just cooked that in some salt and just some mixed herbs as well. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit more water. I add my water bit by bit because I don't want the asaro to be a little too runny. So now I'm going in with my masher and I'm going to mash up some of the yam. That is how you get that creamy consistency from asaro that we all absolutely love. So once I'm done doing that, I'm adding in my favorite thing of this dish, which is sweet potatoes. I'm not going to cut that up any further. I'm just going to give that a quick mix, let that cook for another 5 minutes, add in my crayfish and some Cameroon pepper. Guys, this is another personal fave. It's so deliciously spicy. I love it. So now I'm gonna leave this to cook for an additional 5 minutes, and once that's done, our asaro is completely ready. Here you're seeing me just giving it some nice stir. Guys, please, if you try this dish, please don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Your comments and your likes lets me know you enjoy the contents that I'm putting out. So please, guys, definitely subscribe, like, share, and comment, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!